Welcome to Fremont Ford, and here's a look at another vehicle from our great selection of pre-owned vehicles, and comes equipped with
split fold-down rear seat,
steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, keyless entry,
auto-dimming door mirrors, genuine wood dashboard insert, steering wheel mounted AC controls,
fully automatic headlights, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. At Fremont Ford, we are proud to be one of the Bay Area's premier automotive dealerships. From the moment you walk into our showroom, you'll know our commitment to customer service is second to none. We strive to make your experience with Fremont Ford a good one for the life of your vehicle. We have a friendly and committed staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers. Our finance department specializes in getting our customers the deal that fits their needs. So come see us today and see why so many happy customers choose Fremont Ford as their destination for purchasing a vehicle. We're located at 39700 Balentine Drive in Newark.